I'm Derek, and this is Nick with Principal LED, and today we're going to go over how to do the various cuts for Street Wrap Gen 2. We understand that sometimes in the field you're going to have to custom cut this product. Whenever you do this, you have two different situations. The lengths may fall on one of the cut marks on the light tape. For this demonstration, we're going to show you when that does not happen, and the length has to be cut between those lines. Start out by measuring the distance you need and marking it on the extrusion. The next step, as this is not on a cut mark, is you will have to peel up the tape far enough back that you can then use a saw of your choice to make the cut. After making the cut to the extrusion, peel back the tape once more and using either a very small fine blade saw or a pair of tin snips, cut back the middle section of the extrusion about 1/4 of an inch. Then using a pair of pliers, take this section out. Once the notch has been made, tuck the excess light tape underneath and secure down using some kind of adhesive. After cutting through the tape in the extrusion, make sure to use a weatherproof silicone to seal the end of the light tape so there is no water intrusion. Sometimes when making custom cuts on the Street Wrap Gen 2, you will have the cut mark that you need on the extrusion line up with the light tape cut marks. When this happens, cutting it becomes much simpler. Make your mark on the extrusion as you did before, except this time you will be able to use your saw to cut through the extrusion and the tape. These two cut methods that we've shown you will work for both inside and outside miter cuts as well. For more information, please visit p-led.com.